Adding and subtracting decimals. Example problems: 3 and 45 hundredths plus 6 and 3 tenths. 65 and 3 tenths minus 24 and 75 hundredths. Line up the numbers vertically according to their place value. Make sure you're mindful of where the decimal is. And 3 and 45 hundredths, the decimals between the 3 and the 4. And 6 and 3 tenths, the decimals between the 6 and the 3. Sometimes it's helpful to put a 0 in empty place values so you know that it is worth 0. Now you're ready to add. Always start with your smallest place value, which is all the way to the right. 5 hundredths plus 0 hundredths is 5 hundredths. 4 tenths plus 3 tenths is 7 tenths. 3 ones plus 6 ones is 9 ones, making your sum 9 and 75 hundredths. Now we're ready to try subtraction. Remember, you must line up place values. This can look a little strange sometimes. For example, look at 5 hundredths. There is nothing above 5 hundredths. That's okay. We are lining up our decimals correctly. Now we can fill in zeros because for most people, this makes us feel better. We are ready to subtract. Let's start with our hundredths. 0 cannot take away 5. We must regroup. Take 1, give 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 is away 7. We have to borrow. Take 1, give 1. 12. Take away 7 is 5. 4 take away 4 is 0. 6 take away 2 is 4, making your answer 40 and 55 hundredths. Thanks for watching Adding and Subtracting Decimals. If you still have a question about this concept or other concepts, let me know in the comments.